Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Tash and I create a lot of beauty related videos. However, at the moment I'm doing 31 days of Halloween, and yeah, the videos are consisting of makeup looks, spooky treats and unboxings. And in today's video it is an unboxing. However, if you like this makeup look, you can check out yesterday's video, which was how I achieved this. So I've got two packages here to open, two little mystery bags. And I think I'll start with this one because it seems smaller. And this one is from Tashxglam Designs. It has this cute little cat on the bag. So let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, so inside are three little wrapped thingies. Three little things wrapped in tissue paper. So let's open them and see what they are. Oh, they're cute. So the first item that I've opened is a pair of pumpkin earrings, which are pretty cute. So the next item I've opened is a heart with a tentacle wrapped around it. I love tentacles. I've always thought they're really cool. My favourite sea creature is obviously an octopus, squid, or that crazy rainbow lobster thing. Always forget its name. But yeah, it's really deadly. Okay, so the last item from this little one is, cool. So on the back they all have this stamp that says handmade, and these are little brain earrings, which are kind of cool. They'd be really cute with a zombie costume this Halloween, or any time of the year that you're feeling spooky or brainy. I don't know. So that wraps up everything from Tashxglam Designs, which you can find on Instagram at Tashxglam Designs, Facebook Tashxglam Designs, or Etsy tashxglamdesigns.etsy.com. Now for the bigger one, which is from Pyre and Wolfe. So it's quite a large bag in thickness. This is a little sticker, by the way. So let's open this one up and see what's inside. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things, and this one feels quite big. So let's open the little ones first and see what they are. Okay, so I'm a little bit batty, and it's a bat. This is so cute. Glittery, and excuse my hands, I've got a little bit of paint and makeup on them, but yeah, whatever. So this is a little resin bat, and it's so glittery and it's so cute and I love it. And I also love how all their little baggies have their little logo on them. Next we have another little baggie. It's another bat. With a little coffin. That is so adorable. Really like that. Next, I wonder if everything in here is bats. If it is, I'm a very happy girl. So in that bag were some really cute bat earrings. Okay, last little bag. What is in it? Okay, so this one comes in a little baggie as well. And this is the last little item. I used to have a vest that looked like this, but it was like denim. I think it's from Too Fast Clothing. It's really cool. I used to wear that everywhere. Anyway, so that's the last of the striped bags. Now let's see what's in this one. Okay, so I've opened it and there's another little purple and white striped bag in there. Aww. Okay, so it's in another little baggie like this, but I've taken it out already because I got too excited. And it's a little heart with a pumpkin, and that is so cute. Oh, it's actually a compact mirror. That is cool. That is really cute, and like I love the little glitters in it and the pumpkin. It's so cute. Very Halloweeny. very adorable. Okay, so Pyre and Wolfe you can find on Facebook, Instagram and Etsy. That's their thing there. Their socials and stuff. So that wraps this little unboxing video up, and yeah. I really enjoyed opening the Pyre and Wolfe package and finding all the little bat things because I am pretty much bat obsessed. So that was a really big bonus for me. And also I think that compact mirror was really, really cool. And the Toxic Heart one, their items were cute. I think the earrings, the brain earrings, I'll probably wear. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next 31 Days of Halloween videos. Bye!